Hi everyone, this is Yad from Gig Productions, and today I will unbox and review the Delonghi Eletta Cappuccino Evo. This machine cost around €800. This machine has two color, a silver color and a black color. So we are going to review today the black color. I would really buy the silver color, but unfortunately I didn't find that one when I want to buy this machine. In this box you will find a lot of guide menus that has been written in almost all the language, and I will tell you of course which milk I used with this machine and which one is the best for this machine to get the most foam of the milk if you want, of course, to drink cappuccino or latte macchiato. So in this box you find some cleaning material that can help you to clean the machine. The important things about this machine, just to keep it clean, because if you have any problem with this machine, it's gonna maybe cost you like around €150, and that is something that you really don't want to have every while. By the way, the machine is a little bit heavier, I believe like around 8 kilo or 9 kilo. So this is the milk container. You have 5 options that you can choose between them, and of course this one is can be automatically cleaned, so you don't really need to clean. Of course you still need to clean the outside, but the inside it cleans itself by itself automatically. And of course, as you see here, the machine has been very well covered to prevent any scratch and just to keep it clean in the possible way. As you see here, you have some options from the outside: milk, latte macchiato, cappuccino, espresso, coffee long, and this one can go up and down, depends on the glass that you are using. As you see here, the name of it has been written in the front of it: cappuccino, Delonghi Eletta Cappuccino Evo. And this is the tray where of course the water goes in. Here you can put some cups, glasses. Here is also the coffee tank, and here of course you can put some coffee has been grounded, so of course without sugar, because sugar must be not insert in this machine, otherwise you will broke it. And as you see, here is the dial to choose between the options that you have when you are grinding the coffee. This is a plastic, the cover of it it's a plastic. This is the start button and also of course the off button, and here also where the hot water comes from. So this is just the start of the machine. When you just started the machine, it will take like around 5 minutes just at the beginning. Later on it will take maybe like 30 seconds when after that you can of course choose your option or what you want to drink. It's start of course with the cleaning itself from any maybe coffee in it or something, and the cleaning, heating the water of course, and you can see all the orders on the screen. The screen itself is not a touch, so all the options, or if you wanted to choose between the option, you need to press on these buttons here around. Here you can of course choose how strong the coffee you want it, and here as you see we have 13 options, and we start with espresso, coffee long, espresso long, riccio, doppio, cappuccino, latte macchiato, hot milk, and cafe latte, flat white, and cappuccino mix, and hot water. To be honest, I really don't drink espresso and I don't like even coffee, but I like to drink a cappuccino and flat white and latte macchiato. So this is with the highest milky foam So as you see here, I put the milk container on the third option, so to get the most foam of the milk. The milk I used here, just the milk from the supermarket with full fat. So you have, of course, the half fat and the full fat. I, of course, go all the time with the full fat. The strange is when I bought a milk from the farm, it was terrible. It was so terrible. I believe that's, or I really don't know what is the reason, but maybe because when you buy a milk from the farm, it's more, it has more fat in it than the supermarket. In the supermarket, it's maybe has like 10% fat, but when you buy a milk from the farm, it has more than that. This is the milk from the farm. You don't have a thick layer of milk, and it's not gonna stay too long. But this is the milk from the supermarket, and it stay also for a long time, and that's of course a good thing. Let me know in the comment below if you have any question, and I will try to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.